Mathematics and art shares a long history and has been interconnected in a variety of fields such as architecture, sculpture, textiles, and the such. Some even say that mathematics is an art itself, an art that is motivated by beauty. In fine arts, one particular movement that is heavily influenced by mathematics is Cubism. In the mathematics of Cubism, hypercubes and other complex polyhedra in four dimensions are projected into the two-dimensional age. In concept, this fourth dimension is described as the consciousness of a great and overwhelming sense of space magnitude in all directions at one time, and it is brought into existence through the three known measurements. In addition, the practice of relating space of cubism to geometry is governed by Riemann's theorems. In Philippine art, Cesar Legazpi is a Filipino master of Cubism renowned for his creative ways of visual expression and later on refined Cubism into the local context. In his work titled Cargador, Cubism's unfeeling geometric ordering of figures was emphasized into social expression by the interacting forms filled with rhythmic movement.
The Filipino weavers of the past did not practice geometry the way that we do now. They still followed a set of universal laws which was present in nature. The most fundamental unit of a woven fabric is the basic geometric shape, which we all know is the square. The square serves as a blank piece of canvas in which an infinite variety of patterns is developed. The circle, on the other hand, is one of the most common basic shapes found in weaving designs. It is believed to represent the universe, harmony, and order. Circles can be also used to develop more complex patterns such as triangles, which is formed when three circles are merged together. The textiles of the Kalinga have accurately measured horizontal woven bands as well as zigzagging patterns, while in Mindanao, they employ more of a curvilinear geometry in patterns known as okir, while the traditional malong employs both linear and biomorphic geometry. This just goes to show how geometry plays a big role in weaving different textiles.
Not only that, because beyond its love of music, the Filipino culture also exhibit distinctive artistry as shown by the variety unique dance forms that represent the various patterns in their dances and rhythmic motions with playing along with their songs, their musics, and Filipino studies of their country's art and culture might be significantly enhanced if they used mathematics to their research. In other words, what I'm trying to say is that Filipinos may benefit greatly from the use of mathematics in their exploration of their nation's art and culture.
Mathematics is also considered as a series of patterns, where it can be found as we simply go out and look on our surroundings. In the field of architecture, mathematics plays a significant role since the laws and formulas of geometry, algebra, trigonometry, and more are incorporated when formulating a blueprints or design. Additionally, balance, proportion, and symmetry are some of the key elements in order to come up with an outstanding design, and mathematics takes part into that. For example, the Taj Mahal structure, where it showcases its beauty through the patterns and proportions applied into it. The structure of Greece, where they use the five classical orders in their buildings, and many more. So, mathematics, so to speak, may not be seen physically in the field of architecture through numbers, but with the simple formulation of patterns, mathematics is already been considered.